Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a day yesterday after the Fed disastrous, very hawkish speech from Jerome Powell. Markets crashed again. We had a great CPI. Incredible. Inflation's peaked, inflation's coming down, the Fed slowed down interest rates hikes, still going up of course, but what was scary was the fact they're going to keep it going for a lot longer. But remember, they have to threaten that. That doesn't mean that's going to happen. They've always said they can reduce rates if they go too far. Maybe they are going too far. What do you think? The overall market reacted. We are down again today, another 2.63. It's getting worse and worse and worse. I'm holding on, keep buying the dips. Eventually, statistically, mathematically, it has to come to an end at some point. All right, so my portfolio, has it still bottomed? Well, let's have a look at it. I said it bottomed 4 weeks ago. Now, 3.5, 4 weeks ago. Let's have a look at over 3 months. We are still up over 2 months, but we are right on the button now. We are right on the button. If we break down another couple of percent, then we found a new bottom, and I'll be finding new stocks to buy at new lows. And then, of course, we are going into very dangerous territory. So anyway, let's get straight into it and let's see where we are. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to you on TikTok. If you want to come and join me on YouTube, it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. This is my channel here. This is my actual YouTube channel. So if you want to come and join me, you can. If anyone subscribes to me during a TikTok show, click the little star. You see it there, the little star. If you click the star, I will follow you back. I only follow my subscribers and members on YouTube, and that way I can engage with you and I share my 30,000+ followers with you. So if you'd like to follow me and you'd like to be involved and subscribe to my channel, you get exclusive content, plus I make you a commercial as well to advertise your channel, asking my 30,000+ followers to follow you. I put a commercial here on this screen of your channel, so it helps you grow. My subscribers love that feature. It's one of the most popular features I have for my subscribers. Okay, let's get ready to go. When is the next show? Piano Man Martin. All right, the Advent calendar. Did you all sign the Advent calendar this morning? I will check if anyone signed the Advent calendar. Let's have a look. It came out 15 minutes before we went on air. Here is today's Advent calendar. It's a 13-second video clip. Open the door. See the 13-second surprise I have for you. There it is. There's the Advent calendar. Go and click on that, and you will see this morning's Advent calendar. It's 13 seconds long. In fact, this one is 22 seconds long. Ooh, it's really long. 22 seconds. Leave a comment and I will read it out and share it to the world. And then, of course, we have our Christmas premiere tonight. And that is this one here. Here is tonight's Christmas premiere. After hours, we got, was it 22 last night? A world record. Let's see if we can beat that. We're on 7 right now. Here it is. Let's see if we can get up to 22, which was the world record last night. Every night it's getting better. And thank you ever so much indeed. 560 people saw my first short, so it's getting better. And despite the markets going down, something's going well for me today. There is one other thing today I am celebrating personally. Anybody know what it is? 5 years ago today, sell in May, go away. Worked well for me. Sell in May, go away. What does sell in May, go away mean? Ali Tisro, what does sell in May, go away mean? Sell in May, go away. Anyway, not sure what that means. Anyway, so portfolio is going down again. Happy anniversary. Yes, it is. It's 5th wedding anniversary today. Today, 5 years ago, in the United States, me and Leah got married. And, yep. And then with 6 months later to the day, we actually got married again, and in the United States in the UK. So there you go. I will share with you a wedding picture. You can have a little look right now. Okay, I'll bring one up for you. So tonight I'm taking Leah out for an anniversary dinner. So I'm excited about that. Okay, here we go. Wanted to share with you one of our wedding photographs. There we go. 6 months ago today. There we go. There's a nice one, I think. There you go. This is 6 years ago today. Oops, a daisy. There you go. 6 years ago today. There we go. There's the lovely Leah. Brings my coffee in every morning. There we go. Okay. So, where are we now? Let's have a look. Happy anniversary says, thank you all for, look at all the happy anniversaries coming in. Yay! Thank you very much indeed. 22 says, it is a famous investment phrase, selling in May, traditionally a good idea. Okay, I've never heard that before. It's a famous investment phrase, selling in May, traditionally a good idea. So what are we doing? Selling in May? I mean, I'm not sure I get it. Not sure I understand it. But anyway, there you go. It's a famous phrase that makes no sense. We're selling in May. It means selling in January. I mean, I've no idea. December. Anyway, happy anniversary. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, so I'll be with you all day today. And then, of course, tonight I'm going out to take Leah for a dinner, for happy anniversary dinner. How many people have mentioned have money invested with Martyn through his mirror platform? Through his mirror platform? What's my mirror platform? You're confusing me all today. I have no idea what anyone is saying to me. Right, let me see who has signed the Advent calendar. Has anyone signed it? It's 20 seconds long. No one clicked on the Advent calendar. What's going on here? Here's the Advent calendar. It's 20 seconds long. In fact, it's 22 seconds long. Open it every day. It's a little Advent secret for you, and you can leave a Christmas message, and I'll read them out in the opening bell. There you go. Let's see who's the first person to do it. I have given you the right one, right? Because it's funny why I know it's not working. Let's have a look. Hang on. Hang on. Have I given you the right one? I'm not sure I've given you the right one. Hang on. Hang on. I might have given you the wrong one. Is it? No one said anything. I assumed someone would go, it's the wrong one. Yeah, hang on. I think I've given you the wrong one. Advent calendar. I think I gave you the wrong link. Yes, it's the one for tomorrow. One idiot. I'm going, why is no one clicking on it? Well, no one can they, you flipping clown? All right, try again. Try again. Try this one. This is the Advent calendar. This is a special song. I love this one. It's one of my. It's my favorite. My absolute favorite. I hope you like it. Right. Does that work? There's the Advent calendar for this morning. Flipping heck. I'm going to double check I've given you the right one. I'm sure I have. Sorry about that, folks. Yes, that's the right one. That's 21 seconds long. There it is. Okay, I've done it. It's correct. If you don't make some money changes, your portfolio will see 20 grand. My God. Let's hope not. It's got to stop. This can't. I mean, it makes no sense to me. It makes no sense to me. Look, let's just get one thing straight, right? If you were a regular person with a regular job and you were paying every month into your 401k, every month you're paying $100, every month you're paying $1,000, whatever you were paying every month into your 401k, your financial advisor would say this is great because you're buying shares cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper every month. Every month. That's what people would say, right? So that's basically what I'm doing. But unlike 401k, which is just buying the overall basket every month, I am looking for the stocks that are beaten down the most, like Tesla, whatever it might be. Virgin Galactic right now, whatever it might be. So I'm focused on that. Now, of course, if those things go down dramatically more, then I'm in trouble. But at the end of the day, if I was at a regular 401k, my wife does, for example. My wife works for the bank, and she contributes every month to. I think I've just bought some shares. I think something's just gone through. Rivian. Your order to buy 5 shares of Rivian has been filled at $24. We've hit a new low. Rivian has just bought. Let me have a quick look. There we go. Rivian has just bought at $24. There you go. 5 shares at 24. Right. I'm going to set another 5 shares at 23. Limit order. $23. $23. 5. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow. Review. Good till cancelled. There we go. $23 at 5. There we go. That's what the beauty of limit orders is. Why are you buying Rivian? Why am I buying Rivian? I believe in Rivian. Don't do it, Martin. 22. Why are you all saying this? Why are you all saying that this is not a good buy at 23? I don't understand. I mean, how do you know when the bottom's coming? Has everyone got a crystal ball? As I say, if you had a 401k, like my wife does, she pays, I don't know, let's say it's $100 every month, and they buy the basket of funds every month. I am looking for the lowest prices. I'm looking for the companies I like at the best possible prices. So I'm buying more shares as it goes down. Warren Buffett says the same thing. You find the companies you believe in, and if they're on sale, you buy more. Everyone is selling out. Everyone is just selling everything. How can that be investing? How can it be investing when the things you believed in are now 50%, 60%, 70%, 80% discount, and you're just selling them? That to me is an upside down principle. Now, I know what 22 is saying, and I know what Ali's saying. Yeah, but it could go a lot lower. Statistically, the stock market goes up over time. Yes, it could go lower. Everything could go lower, but we don't know how low it's going to go. Nobody does. Are you all just waiting for it to go to the lowest price and then buy in? That's not investing. That's jumping on the bandwagon. Do you believe in Rivian? Yes or no? If you believe in Rivian at $30, why would you not believe in it at 23? I don't understand this mentality of just investing 1 minute, dumping it the next minute, buying it in the next minute, selling it. I don't understand that mentality. I don't. Anyway, let's have a look. Do I have 50 grand on cash? No, I don't. Whatever will be the future. Que sera, sera. Just wait a bit and wait a bit. I've been waiting 12 months. 22, wait a bit. I've been watching my stocks go down for 12 months. Buy companies that make money after expenses, that grows their income each year. Take a look at the Intel. Take a look at Intel and Iberdrola. Yes, best price. Who says it's on sale? What if it halves from here? Keep your powder dry for a bit. Keep your powder dry for a bit. I've been doing it for a year. How much longer do we wait for? Look at the market cap of Rivian. Still wildly overvalued. I agree with you. Keep investing in what you like, especially when it's on sale. Warren Buffett buys quality, though. Is Rivian a rubbish company? Is Rivian a rubbish company? I'm not waiting for lowest. I'm waiting for a pivot, maybe 2024. So bottom will be mid-2023, best case scenario. F is a better buy than Rivian, though, says Krytol. It's what you've done with Tesla. You keep buying it and it keeps dropping. I am Rivian buyer at $5. I mean, why don't we just say Tesla for 50 cents? I mean, it's... I don't know. Oh, man. I mean, how do we value these companies then? It doesn't make any sense. Right. Okay, so today I'm celebrating my 5th wedding anniversary, taking Leah out for dinner tonight. Well, maybe we're going to McDonald's at the moment. It is pretty scary right now. Anyway, it is what it is. I got my way of investing. So how many people have opened the advent calendar? Every morning, just before the bell, I give you an advent calendar. Here it is. Here is the advent calendar. Have you all opened it? It's 22 seconds. Let me go over to the comments and see if anyone has left a Christmas message. Yesterday, we had nearly 560 views on the short, something like that. All right? So let's have a little look. Yes, we have some comments. We have our first comments here. We have Dexter Sickles. What a great voice. Remember, this is your Christmas messages for the world to read, okay? What a great voice. Thank you so much indeed. Andrew Grady, I believe. There we go. I believe. I'm in, says Bill. There we go. There's our first Christmas messages this morning. Margin starting to look dangerous. Sell all. Wait a short while. Buy crypto. Sell stocks. Oh my gosh. Robert Rose. I don't know about that. At all. We're going to jump out of the frying pan straight into the fire, right? Is that what we're going to do? Anyway, so thank you ever so much for your Christmas messages. I will check back every few minutes and see if anybody has left any more messages. If you want to open the Christmas Advent calendar, here it is. It's 22 seconds long. Leave a Christmas message, and there it is in the chat for you right now. All right. Okay. Let's go through our stocks and see what's up and see what's not. Let's see who's in the chat right now. We got 25 in, 34, 53 people come through the show so far. Let's have a quick look where we are. We got 23 watching, 14 likes. Buy crypto, says Ali. Ali, sell it at a loss. Sell everything at a loss. Buy it all back later. Well, if you knew it was going to go down another 20%, if Ali knew that my portfolio was going to go down 20%, then I should sell everything at a loss and buy it back again. Absolutely makes sense. There's nothing wrong with that, because I would post a loss right now, wait till January the 1st, buy it all back. Yeah, but you can check Iberdrola. I would check it, but you have to be a member. It's a member's perk for me to review stocks for you live on the show. If you want to be a member, you can. Here's the invitation to join. It's one of the perks of being a member, that I review a stock, make a video on it. I do it for all my members every day, but you have to be a member for that perk. Can't time the market. Nobody can. I don't have any more money to average down. Hello all, says William Wallace. Good morning to you. And makes money and a 4.5% dividend. Yes, I would review it if as I say, we have to focus on our members, especially this time of the morning when it's very, very busy. Here's our 5th wedding anniversary. This was the day we married 5 years ago in the United States of America. And the plan is to take Leah out for dinner tonight if the day goes well. Right now, I'm just being wiped out again. Anyway, it is what it is. What can you do? Keep a chin up. It's only money. You only lose it. Markets make, let's have a little look. Rivian is more valued right now than Tesla 3 years ago. Ask yourself, what was a better company 3 years ago? I would say Tesla. I agree with you. That's why I've bought Tesla as well. I'm not having a dig, Martin. I just want to take a step back for a minute and think, was jobless claims released yet? I don't want you to review it. Oh, okay. I don't want you to review it. Okay, fair enough. It says look at it and then says don't. I don't understand. Loyal Dutch, I'm confused. Anyway, the S&P is down 1.37. It's a tip for you. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it's a tip. Thank you so much indeed. All right. We're down 3.22. Yes, jobless claims beat. Says 22. Thank you, 22. Virgin Galactic is down. We're trying to buy it at 4. Is that bullish? Of course, what the Fed want is they want more people unemployed. Not personally, of course, but they want to see the markets cooling. Anything below is better, like Ali says. We don't want the jobs numbers to go up. They want the jobs numbers to go down, trying to destroy the economy to make it better. It's how the world works. I know it sounds ridiculous. They want me to lose all my money. They want me to get margin called and lose all my money and go to zero, and they want all the stocks to go to zero. I don't know. All I'm trying to do is invest for the future. That's all I'm trying to do. And I just don't seem to be able to get a break. Everyone is saying sell for a loss, and everything I've ever read says the very opposite. Everyone is telling me to jump ship, sell everything, everything's down, sell everything. Sell everything at a loss, buy it back later because it's going to go down 100%. No one knows it's going to go down 100%. That's the reality of it. Robinhood is down. I mean, like everything's down, right? Anyway, let me check over 3 months. Am I at a all-time? Am I at a new low? Let's have a look. I've got $500 to go to hit my my low from 2 months. So I'm up 2 months. Not Tesla now. Tesla buy points are 130, 160. See, I mean, you know, now we're saying Tesla's worth $60. I mean, it does beggars belief. Every quarter, their earnings smashes records. Every quarter, listen to this for a minute, folks. Every quarter, Tesla sell more cars, make more profit, ramp up, improve margins, and yet we're now saying that Tesla is worth $60. You know what? I know nothing about this then. You're absolutely right. I am an idiot. I know nothing. Because none of this makes any sense. Companies are growing, they're making more money, they're improving on margins, and yet the share price goes down and down and down, and now we want to pay $60 for a stock, Tesla. At what point, we knew this 4 years ago. 4 years ago, we knew this was going to happen. Well, I feel like Captain Smith on Titanic then. I've just done everything wrong, and we look back on it and go, yeah, everything he did was wrong. Driving at night, going too fast, trying to turn, couldn't turn last minute, straight into an iceberg. Bloody hell. How is everyone's portfolio? Loyal Dutch is up 1.5. I'm down big time. These are the markets that wipe retail investors out. You need to be ultra risk adverse and don't just keep buying the bear market. The market has been going down for over 2 years. How much more should we expect? By all means, tight market. The market should go up now. I mean, exactly. This is what I'm saying at SO8N. I mean, I agree. It just keeps on going down and everyone just goes, it's going to keep on going down. I mean, how is this investing? How is this investing? This is just setting fire to your money, isn't it? You're buying stocks. And I will tell you something now. My wife had a review on her stocks the other day. My wife had a review on her stocks. All right? And her portfolio manager said, it's great. We're continually buying the dips and your portfolio is down like 50%. But it's great. We're buying more shares for you. That was Merrill Lynch, a manager of her portfolio, professional, telling her this is great. We're buying every month. Your money is buying more and more shares. We're doing it all the time. And it's great. So that's a professional financial advisor who's buying dips every month saying it's great. It's great for you. Rubbish if you're retiring now, but great for you. No one has ever said to my wife she should sell all her shares and stop paying into a 401k, stop investing and come back in 6 months. No one has told her that. So why would I do this? Why would I do any different? Was Tesla overvalued at 400? Currently, a little over 150. So for me, it looks like a bargain price, Rob Brennan. I agree. But remember, Rob, 150 today is actually 450. Remember, This is a three-way split. Remember that. Very, very important to remember. Tesla today is 450. It's not 400. It's 450. Sorry, it's not 150. Sorry, it's 450. It's a three-way split. It used to be 450. So compare that to what it was at 1200 when it was a $1 trillion company, which we all know was insane. The market's been going down for over 2 years as SO8. How's everyone's portfolio? Hi all, says Running Diary. Okay, we need... I need to give everybody the advent calendar. Cheer everybody up. It's a 20-second video. Open it. Special surprise. I believe this morning. Leave a nice Christmas message. You can leave a comment below a short. There it is in the chat. Please like it and leave a comment there below. Let me go back and see if anybody has left another Christmas comment. Here we go. It's the Christmas Advent Calendar. Yes, we've got some more wonderful Christmas messages. Here we go. We have William Wallace. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bill has said Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Not long now till the big day. I believe. I believe. I believe. There we go. There's Brick Mark. And nice short, says Krytol. Thank you so much indeed. There you go. More shorts. Christmas Advent Calendar every day until December 26th, including Saturdays and Sunday at the same time. So don't miss it. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Thank you all for taking part. And when I reply to you, I've actually given you the playlist of the Advent Calendar and the main Christmas list, so you don't miss any of the Advent calendars if you want to follow that series all the way up to Christmas Boxing Day. Okay, so everyone has got that little message there. If you look in your comments, you've got the link for the two. All right. Genuinely, go cautious with margin, says Robert Ruse. Tesla 152. I'm trying to buy it at 150. We knew this 4 years ago, says Ali. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Rob Brenner, historic earnings though. Yes. Historic earnings though. Tesla sales will stay strong, says Ali Tisro. So Tesla sales will stay strong, but the stock price will keep going down. Makes a bucket load of sense, doesn't it? Tesla stock price grew too fast due to interest rates because everyone could invest more money. I understand that. I agree with that. Rob Brennan, a bargain is $60. Yeah, but it's not going to go to $60 though, is it? Why would it? I mean, no one's going to let it go that low because people are going to buy it. Ali Tisro, I disagree. I don't see how that's possible when most cars are financed and interest rates are increasing. Kryto, what you say is what you do. Look at the stats and it performs it outperforms day traders. What you say is what you do. Look at stats and it outperforms day traders. Yes, indeed. I've always said that. It's like Lucid in the beginning. By the way, I am in Lucid. All stock prices grew way too fast because people got free money from the state and everyone had more money to invest, pushing prices up. Not saying I disagree, Martin, but surely your wife's financial advisor has an incentive to get her to keep her money invested. Yeah, probably right. Yeah, dead right. Because they make money out of investing every month. Why would they tell her to stop? I agree. You're dead right there. Dead right. I'm kind of worried from all these comments. I am 66 and don't know what to do, says Mike. He's very upset by all this. There you go. 22. There are people looking to buy Tesla. Interest rates are going to hurt Tesla debt, not people buying luxury cars. Long term, you will make money over 20 years in the S&P 500. You have never lost money. 23 will see your stocks go down 70%. So what? I've already gone down 80% and now I'm going down another 70%. I might as well just set fire to my house. I mean, at this rate, Ali. My gosh. Ali, I can't see that. New cars aren't essential for most people. It's a discretionary product. Julie Argon, 93% of options are on UVXY. Thanks for your comment, Julie. If that's true, Ali, then Rio Tinto's dividend return will be like 50%. I don't want to lose all my money. when the fear and panic starts to set in is when we buy. I'm just going to be patient and wait, because 2024 is going to start the bull market. Let the Fed said yesterday. Just hold, Mike. It always goes up, always. For Tesla 22. Reading all the comments. I'm holding. I believe the market is going to go up in the coming days, and those who sold will regret it. Let's see what happens. Retail sales data today, Ali. Thank you for sharing that information as it comes in. All right. Okay. Have we got any more Christmas messages? Here's the Advent calendar. We got nearly 600 views yesterday. Open the Advent calendar at 20 seconds long and leave a Christmas message. Have we got any more Christmas messages today? Let's have a look. Yes, we have. Let me check the Christmas messages. And we've got now Malk UK, the voice of Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. One of Martyn's members. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Merry Christmas from Stephen Lewandowski. Mike, Merry Christmas, everyone. And Brickmark, not long to the big day. I believe it's coming. Believe. Okay, there we go. Lovely Christmas messages coming in. Wonderful stuff. Let's go back to our portfolio. Are we starting to bounce up at all? And I'm going to reply to everyone's messages on on YouTube and give you the Christmas playlist for the whole Advent calendar, so you don't have to miss any. And also, because some of you are missing it when it premieres, and also the Christmas full song, the premiere that comes out every evening as well. Thank you everyone for opening the Christmas Advent calendar. Okay, we have one every single day. Right, let's go over to our main portfolio. Just finished replying to everybody. There we go. And we'll check more Christmas messages as the morning goes on. Okay, let's go over to our main situation. We've got 33 watching and 16 likes. Now listen, guys, it's my wedding anniversary today. I married Leah 5 years ago, and I'm taking her out for dinner tonight. We need the portfolio to go up. I don't know how much money, I don't know how low my portfolio can go until I get wiped out completely. Anyway, there's Leah. We got married 5 years ago today, and thank you ever so much, in the US. And then 6 months later, we get married in the UK. So there we go. Easy to remember for me. Okay, so happy anniversary, Mike. Thank you for that very much indeed. All the happy anniversaries, I love it, love it, love it. Someone just said 50%. What was it there? She's a beautiful woman. She is indeed. You won't get wiped out unless you sell. Absolutely right. I think 50% on the side is at least optimal. Certainly no margin right now. That's easy said than done, of course. But if you've not got any money, you have not got any money. Money's not everything, Martyn. You're definitely punching. That's funny. I love it. Okay. Right. Anyway. What was I going to say? Something I was going to say then. I forgot what it was. Oh, yes, that's right. That's right. We got 34 watching. I want 30 likes. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We need the stocks to go up today, so we need to share this. Oh, I've got an anniversary coffee from Mark Korn. Thank you so much indeed. Anniversary coffee is to 5 years more. Thank you so much indeed, Mark. We will raise a glass to you tonight as we have the coffee at the end of our meal. Thank you so much. How nice is that? That's from Mark Korn. Thank you, Mark Korn. I love that. That's absolutely awesome. Thank you so much indeed. Love it. Cheers. Thank you, Mark Korn. We'll have coffee at the end of the meal, and we'll raise our coffee and we'll say this was from Mark Korn. Absolutely wonderful. Thanks, mate. What a nice gesture that was. Okay, so here we go. We need to get on the clock. We need to get 30 likes in 1 minute. Here comes the clock. 1 minute on the clock. We need hang on a minute. There we go. Smash the like button. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. Cheeky, cheeky, chicky, pow, pow. Said a chicky, chicky, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. There we go. 22, 23 likes. Getting up there. We're at 23 likes, nearly there. Oh, we've got a super chat from Mike. Not much, but happy anniversary. Mike will get the mints. The after 8 mints will be on you. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you, Mike. You've sponsored my After 8 mints tonight. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, Mike. I really appreciate that. That's very, very kind of you. There you go, Mike. Thank you ever so much indeed. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Thanks a lot, mate. Appreciate that. There you go. So, yeah, 5 years ago today. So the coffee's on Mark and the After 8 mints is on Mike. Thank you ever so much, guys. Let's see if we can make some money today. Retail sales for November sharply declined. Retail sales for November sharply declined. So that's the downturn the Fed wants, okay? The downturn is happening. People are spending less. You remember, they can pivot very, very quickly. February, we could go 0.25 or we could go 0. It could happen, folks. Just remember, it could happen. You want to stay invested. Martin, if you're going to move back to England, why do it now? Sell the USA house and put the proceeds into Tesla and space. Not financial advice. Past performance does not indicate future results. Indeed, you're absolutely right, Rob Brennan. Credit card maxed out, so can't do a super chat. No worries, Bill. Let me bring the next Advent calendar to you. Oh, Sohn has just given us a tip. Thank you so much indeed. Sohn, you will buy the first, on the first course, the first part of the appetizer. Thank you so much indeed. Cheers, Sohn. Thank you so much indeed. I appreciate that. That's really, really kind of you. Thank you so much indeed. All right. Let's look at where we are now. Did we get any more 23 likes? It's moving up slowly. The portfolio is moving up very slowly. We're still down, though. We're down 2.92. Look, as you can see, it's still going down. Right, here's the Advent calendar. Has everybody opened the Advent calendar? Let me go and check for some more Christmas messages. It's a 22-second Advent calendar. There it is. Click on it. Leave a Christmas message for the world, and I will ring it out, read it out in the show right now. So let me go over and have a look on our next messages. Where are we? Here we go. Thank you very much indeed, SO8AN. All right, I think we got a message from Mark Korn. It looks like we have more Christmas messages on the Advent calendar. Let's have a look. We've got, Mario says, Merry Christmas and God bless. Hope you like, believe. Mark Korn mentioned the magic word. There might be some prizes for Christmas prizes. I'm just saying, I believe that the coming year will be fantastic for us all. Sending love and peace. Thank you so much indeed, Mark Korn and Mario, for your Christmas messages. There we go. Back to the show. I've got this picture in my mind of the little mini-me and laying on his back, punching at the sky. Let's hope so. Do you want me to share my crypto portfolio in the next bull run? Very valuable. Yes, we would love that information. Please post that into Discord, and everybody would love to read that. Absolutely right, Ali Tisro. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you. And when you get a reply from me on YouTube, it gives you the full playlist of the Advent calendar. So if you've missed one, you can go and enter them all if you want to. So there you go. There's a full Advent calendar every single day, all the way up to Christmas Boxing Day. Okay? And we'll check back if we get any more Christmas messages later. Okay. Oh, we got a wonderful super chat here. Dessert. We got the dessert. We got the dessert for me. No, that's a dessert for Leah. Thank you so much indeed. Stephen Lewandowski has got our dessert for tonight's anniversary meal. 5 years today. Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski. Very, very kind of you. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you very much. Please have a look. Made it for you. Need buy 5,000 to see a return of at least 50,000. Here we go. This is from Ali ETORO. Please have a look. Made it for you. Need buy 5,000 to see a return of at least 50,000. Wow, what a number that is. Let's have a quick look. Let's go over to Discord right now. Where have you put it? Ali ETORO tips, I would assume. Where is not in Ali ETORO tips? Where did you put it, Ali? Is it general chit chat? No, not in general chit chat. Oh, you've sent it as a direct message. A direct message. Okay, I've got it. In that case, I won't share it out. Thank you so much indeed. I will read that. Thank you so much indeed. I've got that there, and I will. If I've got any questions, of course, which I'm bound to have, I will come back to you. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Right, we're still going down. We're down 3.26. I suggest you follow it. Okay, Ali. You can share. Okay. When I understand it and I've read it, I'll share it. I want to be able to talk about it, okay? So here we are. The S&P 500. Just no posting on public, please. Just no posting on public. Share on screen. Just no posting on public. Share on screen. What do you mean? If I share it on the screen, it will be public. Not sure what you mean. Just rephrase that. The S&P is going down. Please read through. I will do, Ali. If I've got any questions, I'm sure I will. I will read it. Virgin Galactic, 447. Virgin Orbit. Tesla, 152. I've just realised I haven't done any commercial break this morning. I'm losing loads of money. What's going on? Need to do a commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. I'm just doing some research. Did it work? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. You never know. Anyway. Oh no, says Loyal Dutch. It's for you personally, as 5,000 other people may have more cash and can optimize for them. Okay, thank you, Ali. Appreciate that very much. What's the big secret? Just post your bags in the chat. This optimized for your portfolio. Thank you. Just post your bags in the chat. I'm just trying to answer the questions here from everybody. Reading all the comments if I can. Thought about a 179 super chat, but you only get 50 feet in the Uber. Hey, every dollar counts. If we've got 40 people watching me right now, if every single person gave me $1, we'd have the meal covered. So don't worry about that. Every dollar for me is a blessing. All right. So, and right now it is really. My gosh. Are we gonna, if we go below 40, if we hit 40,000, I've hit an all-time low. Okay. The S&P is going down. I'm still up on the S&P. Virgin Galactic is down 2.4 today. Let me go and give you the Advent calendar. I'll go and check, see if we've got any more Christmas messages. If you want to open our Christmas calendar, it's in the chat. It's a 22-second short, and you can leave a Christmas message, and I will read it out and share it. Andrew Grady! Andrew Grady, we're going to add some more soup. We got some more soup. Andrew Grady, thank you very much. Andrew Grady, thank you ever so much for that. Really appreciate it. My main bags right now are XRP, BTC, IOTA, and Ethereum in that order. XRP right at the top says running diary. Ali Tisro will appreciate you. Andrew Grady, thank you so much indeed for that. All right, have we got any more? Christmas messages? Let's go back and have a look. We go every day trying to cheer everybody up with some Christmas messages. No more just yet. All right, here's the advent calendar should you want to do it. It's a 22 second long video. There you go. Actually, please share. Might be useful to all. Open it up, please. Okay, I will share that. I would like to understand it first. I probably won't have a clue what it is until I read it through, but I will have a look. Aha! Okay. Let me have a look. Okay, this has been sent in from Ali Tisro. This is a crypto fact sheet for you. Oh my gosh, the portfolio is diving again. Look, there you go. I will share it on the screen. You can take a screenshot if you want to. Rewind this video if you want to, or go into Discord. That's been prepared. Thank you very much, Leah. Or can I give that one? Yeah. Oh, let me rinse that. Leah, we've got our soup, mince, coffee, and a glass of wine for you tonight. All right, babe? Okay. There you go. It's on the screen. XLM and AMP and some of my big bags in crypto. Okay, stop buying now. Don't want you to get margin call. Robert Rose has just warned. Scary stuff. Let me just zoom out again. Let me go back into the channel. There we go. Octavio Garcia. Oh, look at that. Octavia Garcia has bought us our first starter. Hey, thank you very much indeed. There we go. That is awesome. That is awesome. Thank you very much indeed for that. That's a great honor. Thank you so much indeed, Octavio Garcia. And for that, I will get you to, hang on, here it is here. For that, I will get you to share I will share a wonderful picture of Leah again. Here we go. There you go. It's our anniversary today, 5 years today. Octavia. Thank you very much indeed, Octavio. That's very, very kind of you. Thank you so much indeed. Wow, what an honor. This is anniversary gift, Martin. Thank you so much indeed for that. You will enjoy crypto much more than stocks. The gains are unreal. More chance of that portfolio to go 100 grand than you're not, and then you're not getting, margin called. Take a position on some micro caps on the XRP. Trying to read everyone's comments is hard. There's a lot of comments. I'm focusing on the members right now. I've got it set to, because of so many comments today. I am starting to filter by members only. It's getting too many questions for me to read all the questions, so I'm starting to focus on members only. So if I don't read your comments out, I'm starting to filter them down, okay? Just want everyone to know that. Okay. God bless you both. Octavia, it's very, very kind of you. 40,800. Right, we've not got anything else buy other than Rivian this morning. One of the world's largest manufacturers. Hang on, what's that over there? Oh, Virgin Galactic. It's now popping up. It got as low as 450. It got as low as 447. I'm not touching it until it goes to 4. After Sam Bankman-Fried debacle, I think I will never. It'll be another 8 to 12 months before any real gain, says Andrew Grady. Virgin Galactic is popping up. The overall portfolio now is down 3.17. S&P is down 1.38. Crypto return on investment potential is huge compared to stocks, but likewise, the risks are bigger too. Nothing is guaranteed. Nobody really knows. Everyone believes what they believe, and it is what it is. Right. We got to just a few minutes ago before the bell goes. Could be a very, very dramatic day today. Santa Rally, is it still on? Is it cancelled? Ali Tisra, I'd say yes, given the stocks Martyn holds. They aren't going bust. Correct. Even still, the risk-adjusted returns are much more tempting, says Robert Rose. Virgin Galactic starting to go up. The overall portfolio is down 3.15, moving up slowly. The S&P is down 1.38. Let's go through. Virgin Orbit, I've got a buy at $2. What a blessed couple. God bless. Thank you so much indeed. It's our 5th wedding anniversary today. What a lovely comment. There we go. We're going to go out. I'll be with you all day, and then I'll go out for dinner with Leah in the evening. And thanks to many of you today, we've got half the meal paid for, which is really kind of great considering I've got no money in the bank and my portfolio is getting worse every day. So I live on it's about $13 a day now I get on YouTube as my income, and I'm still believing in what I'm doing, still believing in investing in myself, which is essentially what I'm doing, and I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. And I look forward to the day when it makes $50 a day and I can cover, I'm pretty much covering my running costs now. I'm paying the internet, the electric in here. I've got no mortgage and car loan, remember, so I'm basically just living in the studio every day. My world looks very rich. You look in here and you see this amazing studio. You go, oh my gosh, but this is my world. This is all I have in this studio. All right. Oh my God, that's a sweet photo of Martyn and Leah. Thank you very much indeed. Steezy G. Robert, I don't use Robinhood, so no idea what buying power means. 22. Buying power means what is available for me to spend, and of course the buying power includes margin if you use your margin. That's what that means. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, are we going to buy it at 150 today? According to Ali Tisro, it's going to $60 now. Rivian's popped up again. I bought some at 24 today. Lowered my average. So that was good. It went through at 24. 5 shares at 24. One for the future. Keep chiseling away. Oh, Ali Tisro is in the lounge. Ali Tisro is in the lounge. Ali Tisro is in the lounge. Let's bring Ali Tisro in. We've got a couple of minutes to go. I am getting some questions on margin. If anybody wants margin questions answered, you need to send me a private message in Discord. There's some information that I don't want to share on air. So you need to talk to me on Discord. Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro. Let's bring Ali Tisro into the show. Here we go. Ali Tisro, good morning. You're welcome. How are you?
Good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing, Martyn?
Using my catchphrase, what's going on here with you? Good morning, Ali. Lovely to have you here. Well, you were right. It's going down again. How low is it going to go, Ali?
Probably all the way into a margin call, I imagine. But yeah, it's probably going down at least 50, 60, 70% on some of those stocks. Maybe your S&P will hold you up a bit. Maybe that will only go down 30%. But it's looking really dark in the markets these days, and there's just more pain to come. Whether or not a relief rally comes in, we'll have to wait and see. But if it does, I suggest really selling everything.
Wow. These are. I've been in that position before, and I have done that before. You may remember we had a margin call like about 6 months ago, and we sold everything and bought back, I think about, 3 weeks later when it dipped like 10%, and that was a good move because I saved 10% of losses. And you're absolutely right. If we knew 100% I was going to go down today 20-30%, you're absolutely right. Selling everything and then buying it back 20-30% cheaper makes every bit of sense. It does. It does. How can you be so sure, Ali, that we're going to go down to another? Well, you gave some very big figures there.
At the end of the day, it comes down to technicals. It comes down to the graphs. It comes down to the state of the market. It comes down to these interest rate hikes. I think the issue is everyone's looking forward to pivot, but the pivot doesn't come until it's not only when the interest rates stop going up. It's until they start bringing it down. And I think no one's estimating how long we're going to be at these 5.5% levels. Like they're trying to bring it up to 5.5, but we might stay there for a whole year. And everyone thinks we're going to pivot, come back down as soon as we reach a stable rate. The issue is in 2023, we're probably going to be stuck at these interest rates of 5.5 for the whole year. And that's gonna cause some real damage for some companies. It's going to break consumer confidence. It's a very dire piece out there. And I don't think anyone's really taking that into account.
What's your we're just about to ring the bell, so I'm just going to bring this in a few seconds to go. What's your thoughts on, for example, people who have like 401ks, like my wife, regular workers who are paying into the pot every month? They're still paying in, right? And they're buying tips, so they're buying cheaper stocks. They're not just sat on the sidelines doing nothing, are they? They're actually buying all the time.
Yeah, they're buying all the time. I guess for a 401k, it doesn't really matter because you're really looking long term for that. But and a financial advisor is doing that for you. Whereas if you had it in your own hands, which the reason we do is so we can trade it better. Otherwise, we would just put our money in a 401k. So if we're taking it into our own hands, we need to make some good decisions. We need to sell at the right time, buy back in at the right time. I mean, all I see now is us going down. But I'm happy about it, unlike most people, just because I'm waiting for these good prices to get in, turn that £5,000, turn that 10,000, 10x it all in the cryptos, bring it back into the stocks. That portfolio I sent you is something you should really look into. Bring 10% of your portfolio into crypto to see those big gains over the coming years, and bring your portfolio back up to that. What do you want to turn it into, $1 million? I think it will be much easier done with a bit of 10% of your money in crypto.
What does everybody think? You have the chance to call in. You can have your say. Ali saying put 10% into crypto. What do you think? You are listening to what he's saying. You can call into the show if you're a YouTube member. If you're not a member, let me give you the invitation to join. You can call in and you can put your questions to Ali. I'll keep Ali on the line just a moment as we run through the opening bell. The bell's just gone, as you heard. And there you go. There's the invitation to join, and here's a link to Discord. Discord Broadcast Lounge is now open. If you become a YouTube member, I can upgrade your account so you'll see the Discord Lounge and you can put your say. Now, some people would disagree with Ali hugely and say, no way, put your money in crypto. Some people would say, no, I'm running to the hills, don't believe it. Some people would say, absolutely, go 100% with crypto. He has said, put 10% in crypto. For me right now, my portfolio is about 1%, so I'm 9% short of Ali's suggested target. What do you think? And as we're looking right now, what are we seeing? For the first few moments, we're seeing Tesla pop up to 156. Am I frustrated I didn't buy at 150? No. It went to 152. It was $2 away from that target because it can go back down there again. And as Ali said, he's predicting $60 is a potential low for Tesla. So you can't just keep chipping away at every dollar it goes down because you'll run out of money in 5 minutes. If you really want to lower averages and really protect your portfolio, you have to really be disciplined and go, okay, I'll buy. If you believe in Tesla and you don't believe what Ali's saying, it's going to go to 60, but you believe it can go lower, then you want to keep getting it when it goes dramatically lower, not 0.5% or a couple of bucks. You want to get 5%, 10% drops, and then that's something substantial, and just chisel away at it. But there you go. It's up to 156. In fact, it's turning green. Look at that. Did you see that coming this morning, Ali?
No, I mean I don't really look at day to day. I'm just looking more long term. In 3 months' time, that portfolio of yours is going to be much lower, unfortunately. If there's not some changes made. I mean, if we have a relief rally, it's good because that means you can take some profits and wait for lower prices and stay away from the margin call.
Obviously, me and you have had private conversations, so you know more in-depth information about my situation. what I'm doing, and you may notice today, my portfolio went up by $300. If you watch it every day, you can see. I mean, everything's here in front of you. I added $300 because I got paid for a gig. I did, and I put another $300 in. So the thing is, what I'm doing is I'm doing as many gigs as I can on Saturday nights. It's just one a week, unfortunately. But what I'm earning on YouTube and my super chats, everything goes back into my portfolio. So you can see I'm literally living on zero expenses. I'm doing absolutely nothing other than my anniversary tonight, which has been supported by many of you here, which is very kind. Every penny I've got on YouTube is going in. So the idea is keep putting the cash into my account, protecting my account and increasing my balance, so making my balance safer and safer. And I've just got to keep earning, keep putting it in, and only ever buying on all-time lows. That's my strategy, Ali.
Yeah, it's a good strategy, but I think the issue is you need to be also selling when you get those green days. When you went up to 48,000, I kept saying sell some, and then we come back to 40. You could really add on a lot more than just your $300, etc.
Yeah, I know.
Because that's £7,000 you can add in and bring down your averages much further. I mean, I'm reading the comments. Lots of people have a fair amount into crypto, which is better. 40% of my portfolio is in crypto, 90% in crypto, 10% in stocks. So there are some smart people here that are putting their money in crypto. I mean, I'm not saying right now is the best time to buy. The only thing I'm holding right now is XRP. And I think we know why. That's just a case of, are they going to win or are they going to lose? My money's on they're going to win. I make some money off that, and then as soon as I make money off that, then I'm waiting for other opportunities to buy in. And crypto is one of the ones that really pops off when the retail investors are back. Let's say in a year's time, you can see 10x, you can see 20. I mean, last cycle we saw 100x's. I had many coins that went up 50x, 60x, and it's life-changing money in crypto. Stocks are always safer, but there's no need to go fully stocks.
What do you think? What do you think with the defensive stocks? Right, we've got our defensive stocks of J&J, Coca-Cola, McDonald's. Right, they've all been up, but they are source of funds as well for buying dips, and people do put their money in. But right now, look, this is pretty scary because these are the stocks that have profits for me. I've got like $200 in McDonald's profit, 12%. I've got $275 in Coca-Cola, 7% profit, and I've got 6% profit in J&J, 199. I mean, these are our safe defensive stocks that hold their value. If these start tumbling, then I'm in big trouble.
I think they will be a good indicator of when the bottom comes, because when they tumble, let's say 20-30%, that's when everything else is also tumbling. So that's when you really want to get in. That would be a good indicator of the bottom. When the Johnson Johnsons, when the Coca-Colas, when the Apples drop 20-30%, that from the prices we are today, that will be a good indication of where we're going, because they always come back. So once they've dropped 20-30%. Good point to buy. But yeah, I think I've just come on to give a warning about where we are heading. Anyone who's got margin, just to be safe about their margin, just to have a plan for when we go down lower. If ever frightened about margin, you shouldn't be in margin. That's what I like to say. I mean, we've seen some horror stories even on the day traders. Oh, sorry, the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel itself. We've seen people lose a lot of money on margin.
Yeah, Rob Brennan, I think, was here earlier. Rob lost his entire portfolio and ended up in debt. Remember, you still owe the money just because your portfolio gets wiped out. And he made a wonderful statement yesterday. He's managed to turn his life around, get a new job, get a debt payment plan. He's paying all his debt off, and he says, "I'm coming back as a member at I think the end of this month in January, because he's now got some money to spend again." It's absolutely wonderful turnaround.
Yeah, it's the best. Yeah, that's a great turnaround. I mean, I've had similar issues in the past. I got margin called in the bear market, and then I went and got a job, put every single penny I made from the job into crypto, and the next cycle I made a very healthy amount. And right now I'm looking for any cash I can find to put into cryptos and do it all over again.
Yeah. Very, very wise words, Ali. It's very, very scary time. And what I'm really baffled at the moment, I'm looking at the screen and I'm seeing a most bizarre turn of events. Tesla and Rivian popping up like crazy, like really, really good. On a day like today, you would not expect this, right? But I am going down because these stocks, for some reason, are being bought up like crazy. Whereas to me, it looks like the safe money that was in McDonald's, Coca-Cola, which never goes down like this, is being sold and becoming a source of funds to buy Rivian and Tesla. Look at it happening right now. We can see it. Where's the money coming from? It's coming out of the defensive stocks. So what do you make of that? That's you wouldn't have expected to see that, would you?
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, it's gone up, I don't know, 0.5%, 1%. I don't get out of bed for these sort of returns. But I mean, I see what you're saying. I hope it goes up, let's say 20, 30%.
Well, yeah, it's a 4% swing, Ali. We were down 3%. We're now at 1%. That's a 4% swing. And it's going up nearly 4.5% now. That's quite a big swing when you think about it.
It's a big swing if you're trading it, but I still don't get out of bed for 4%. My plans are 50, 60, 70% is when I'm making a trade.
I've only ever dreamed of numbers like that. Ali, I can't tell you. We are so in different planets, me and you. I get excited because I literally live on $13 a day. I mean, literally right now. And I'm a man who's earned big money. You know all about my history. But, I'm investing in myself right now and I'm prepared to sit here until it grows. But, I get excited when someone gives me a $1 tip. I really do. But I can't wait to be back into your camp when I don't get out of bed for 60%. I mean, I would love to be in that position one day, mate.
No, exactly. Well, no, I mean, you're sticking around through the bear market. It's the most important. This is when people leave. You're still here. You're still looking at the stocks. You're still buying in. Yeah. So this is if you're still here now, you will see those profits. 2 years, 3 years, you're still going to be around to see those profits come, especially if you get into crypto.
Yeah.
But please buy some XRP. Not financial advice, but that will give you enough money to then diversify into all the other cryptos. And a lot of people here are actually big fans of XRP, which I'm surprised about because there's a lot of FUD about XRP. But yeah, those are my final words. I'll let you get back to your show, and I enjoy watching the rest.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you always. There's Ali Tisra, always a great guest on our show. He's really concerned for everyone involved in margin. The one thing I wanted to add to that about margin, which is very, very important, very, very important, every time the rate hikes go up, your interest payments go up on your margin. Your margin becomes more and more expensive. So even if you believe in margin, even if you think margin's the greatest thing in the world, at some point, and we are at that point, to be honest, right now, at some point, margin becomes too expensive. If you're paying, let's just pick a number. Well, where we are now, I think 6.5% is where we'll be now with Robinhood margin, 6.5%. Your stocks have to make 6.5% just to cover the interest. That is 6.5% in a year, though. However, a stock could go up 6.5% in a day. But if you didn't sell and it goes down tomorrow, you're back where you started. Just remember that when margin is at 0.5% or 0, right, then it doesn't really matter, right? But when it's 6.5% and we're going to get another rate hike in February, 7%, 8%, then you're getting to the point where, at the end of the day, will you ever make any money on it? So it's just worth noting that margin comes at a cost. It's not free money, and you've now got to make that amount of money. And if it takes you 2 years to get any profit, well, you've paid 6.5% over each year. 13% of your money's gone just to cover the margin. So you just got to bear that in mind if you are considering that. Anyway, margins for short-term positions. You shouldn't be buying and holding on margin, says 22. That's his advice to everybody there. Thank you. Right. Let's go over to run a quick commercial break. We've got our day trader of the day coming up. And we've also got, of course, tonight is our Christmas premiere. I hope you are loving all these Christmas songs. They go live 7 days a week now on Saturday and Sunday at the same time. Don't miss one. There is tonight's premiere. We got a record last night of 22 likes in it. So far, we're up to 8. So there you go. Go and click on that. And that's tonight's premiere. We've beaten the record every single night. And if you'd like to open today's advent calendar, it's 22 seconds long. Leave a Christmas gift. Leave a Christmas comment, and I will open it up and share your comment on the screen with everyone. There's our advent calendar. Don't miss one. You don't want to miss one. I've got some surprises for you along the way. So there you go. There it is, the advent calendar for today. All right. And of course, today is a special day for me. It's our 5th wedding anniversary. And I'll thank everyone today who gave me a super chat towards our meal tonight. Very kind of you. Here's Leah. This was Leah and me 5 years ago. I've got older. She hasn't changed at all. She looks exactly the same as she did 5 years ago. Unfortunately, I'm not quite the same. I look a bit older and my hair's a bit grayer and a bit thinner. But mind you, it couldn't have been much grayer and thinner than it was there. Let's be honest. All right. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's scroll up. True, but have you seen my picks? Says Ali Tisro. Mull is halted. If you happy to sit through a bear market and maybe touch 20,000 and still keep buying like I am, I think we'll do okay. Just mentally prepare for it. Running diary, 100%, says... if your margin is at 4% interest rates per year and you invest into a company paying 7% dividend, you earn 3%. It's very, very true. We've discussed that on the show. Is it viable? Is it worth buying into Rio Tinto on margin? We've discussed that before, and technically it is actually worth it. Did you get my text message yesterday? Yes. Regarding the newsletter, I think I did. Yes. I haven't forgotten you as well, your fundraiser. I take note of all the messages. It just takes me a long time to get around to things. Not if it drops 5%, says 22. If it drops 5%, if the market drops 5% or the dividend, says Loyal Dutch. Happy anniversary, says Mike and Leah. Thank you ever so much indeed. Very interesting, helpful Ali and Martin. Thank you all for a few bucks a month. Absolutely. Dividend usually don't drop because the market drops. That's true. But remember, if the company get into trouble, they'll stop paying the dividend. But many companies like Coca-Cola have never missed a dividend and always gone up as well. Happy anniversary, says Kidakazi. Okie dokie. Let's go over now to our Christmas advent calendar and see if anybody has signed the calendar since I last posted it. No, I don't think anybody has. Here's the advent calendar. If you've missed it, go and leave a Christmas message on the advent calendar. It's 22 seconds long. I will read out your Christmas message. We're trying to get Christmas cards sent out to the world, hopefully go viral. And by you watching it and leaving a Christmas message, you could help it do so. All right. Okay, where are we right now? We've got 36 watching. Let's have a look. See what's being searched. The Santa Rally, is it cancelled? The top thing now is being searched is Lucid. People are still searching for Lucid. Number 1 in my search here. Look, you can see right at the top, Lucid, because of the potential bankruptcy. What do you think about that? Did we gain any subscribers today? 5836. We're the same at the moment. And how many are watching the show? 38, 26 likes. Okay. So we need 35 likes in 1 minute. Otherwise, I'm going to go to a commercial break. Are you ready? 35 likes in 1 minute. Here it comes. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. If I get the 35 likes in 1 minute, I will not go to a commercial break. We're up to 26. You can see it moving. There it is. "26, 27, 22 seconds to go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. Smash the like button at 27. It looks like we're going to go to a commercial break. We didn't get... it looks like we didn't get enough likes Just 27, 41 watching. Alrighty then, we're going to go to a commercial break. You had a chance, but you didn't. All right, I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay. $29 says the Queen is celebrating. Ali Tisro. The S&P. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Tesla 160. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple, trying to buy Apple at 130. McDonald's coming back up. Coca-Cola. Got an order placed at 54. J&J. Got an order placed at 161. Google. Order placed at 83. There's a long way to go. Microsoft 205. Long way to go. Up 8%. iShares is good. I've had an investment in iShares before. Meta, down 4%. I'm on a wash right now. SoFi, going back up. I've got an order at, I think it's 4, yes. IonQ. Let's look at our crypto right now. Ethereum is down 1.3. Oops. They've changed the dimensions of the way they display it on Robinhood right now. So there you go. Ethereum is down 1.37. Bitcoin is down 1.37. BSV is up 2.43. Chicken Town, better tune. Chicken Town, better tune. What's that mean? Enphase Energy is down 0.46. Quick money, get Muln. I'm out of Muln right now. I can't risk that right now. Tilray Brands, down 2%. I'm down 4% now. I was up. Every day I'm learning. I could have taken a huge profit there, but again, it's no point looking back. If the market tanks, you'll be buying all over the place. Tesco. Target. Walmart, IonQ down 3.58, SoFi, Meta, Microsoft. What a time we're having. Santa Rally cancelled? Let me ask that in the poll. I guess it's a silly question to ask, right? Start a poll. Has the Santa Rally been cancelled? Let's see what everyone says to that. Yes, Muln agreed, not financial advice. Muln, I can't see that as investing anymore. I've done it several times, made money on it every time, set stop trading losses, but flipping heck, it's a complete scam. It makes money, I agree, but what a joke. The CEO goes online, makes a statement, we're now doing a deal with flipping aliens or something ridiculous, with we're now teamed up with Porsche or Ferrari or something. That's all what they've done, and it never comes off. And then as soon as it pops up, it dumps again. It's like a joke. I can't invest in that. It's like going to a casino. I've done it. I've made money on it. Great. Thank you very much. But what a joke. The overall portfolio is down, holding. How much lower can it go? Scary stuff. You can feel the tension, right? Everyone can feel it. I didn't expect this to go like this. I didn't, because at the end of the day, it makes no sense. Things are bad in the world, but they're trying to get better, and you can only grow a portfolio if you invest. And I don't see why the world is destroying itself. If we all just held our positions and let the businesses grow, we'd all make money. We'd all make money. But unfortunately, people don't feel like that. They just sell everything at the first sign of danger, and it drives investors down. It does allow investors the opportunity to buy cheaper stocks, but then we get figures so low and unbelievable that we just don't know. We have no idea of when the bottom's going to ever come. It just doesn't make any sense. Stressful, but I hope the markets fall over the world 20% more. Mong, 200 million order. That's interesting. I wonder if they actually produce a car. Yeah, I can't. Honestly, those people are such scammers and liars. We've done it 3 times. 3 times on the show, they've made announcements like that. Oh, we got a $200 million order. And everyone buys it. They go online, they do a commercial, and no surprise today when everyone's looking to make money. Makes perfect sense. Everyone's losing money, so everyone goes, oh, Mong's the best deal. Mong can make me money. Mong doesn't even produce a car. It's an absolute bloody joke. And then it goes up, everyone buys it, everyone dumps it. But remember, when everyone dumps it, there's a lot of people running around going, oh my gosh, I'm holding the bag at 5 million% up in the air, and they've all lost their money. It's an absolute joke. And then nothing happens. A week later, no one hears about the news anymore. It's all gone away. They forget about it. A month later, the CEO comes out with another bloody statement. Goes online, makes a statement. Everyone buys it. Everyone dumps it. What a joke. That's how Mullen behaves. Don't some heavyweights also just need lower prices for their options tomorrow? T.O. Roll. Give me some more information on that. Our options experts could answer that question, I'm sure. Martin, the market has gone up in a straight line for 13 years with 0 interest rates. All of this is well overdue. There are lots of exuberance to unwind. It isn't going to happen in a year or even 2. There you go. Bill just said, was watching Martin. It went from 36 to 39, back to 36 in a few minutes. Yeah, that's what it does. That's what it does. That's not investing, is it? It's not investing. Wow. So Tesla popped up. Everybody saw an opportunity. They bought it. They dumped it. It's going back down again. Nothing's holding. Nothing's sustaining. All we've got is robbers and scalpers. They're all over the place. And I'm the same. We're all the same. I'm not doing it right now, of course. Maybe I should. Maybe I should join the bandwagon. All join the same bandwagon. Everyone just buy and dump all the time. It's heartbreaking to see companies be destroyed like this. Great companies like Amazon, $89 now. $89. I have to feel for you when I see the portfolio going down. Now you know why we are not optimistic. Well, I refuse to give in. I refuse to play the game that everybody else is playing. I'm investing in companies I believe in. They do good things. They create good things. This is ridiculous. The CPI rate came down. Inflation's coming down. What more do you want? What is wrong with people? Grow the business, invest, stay invested, save, work hard. What is the point of just dumping everything and driving the markets down? All right, you carry on. The market would basically be a Ponzi scheme if all people did was buy. Bear markets are healthy as necessary. I agree with that. It's allowed me to get cheaper stocks, but you're telling me now I shouldn't be in it. It's all rubbish. I should sell the whole bloody thing. Crytol, they want a quick buck. They don't care about the business. Wow. Straight off a cliff, folks. They are still great companies. The stock is just overpriced in this high interest rate environment. This is a discount window for stocks when rates are zero. When rates go up, stock prices go down. Tesla, 157. Rivian, 24. Lucid. Target will survive. Walmart will survive. Don't sell those at least. Arrival. Amazon. No, there's no such thing as a pivot. Well, pivot means they reduced the amount they were going to raise it by. I understand what you're saying. It's still a rise. Right. I want to inject some positivity into this nightmare. There we go. There we go. All-time low now. All-time low. Horrible, 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 horrible stuff. Anyway, I want to inject some positivity, happy Christmas spirit. Here is my advent calendar. If you've not opened it, it's a 22-second video. Open it, leave a Christmas message. I'll share it on the screen. Here is tonight's world premiere as well. This is our Christmas song, which will happen after the closing bell, if I'm still alive. And then, of course, I've got my anniversary meal with Leah tonight. And here's our anniversary tonight. Thank you to all of you who have supported the show today. And we're having our anniversary meal tonight. There's Leah 5 years ago today. All right. Okay, let's go and see if we've got any more Christmas messages left today. Let's have a little look. No one's clicked on the advent calendar since I last checked. Let's go and have a look at the 8 likes. Our record, it was 22 last night. Hopefully everybody will click on that and get to 22 again tonight. I've given you the link in the chat. I can see no one's wanting to turn off the screen. No one's wanting to go and watch the 20-second video because you're all watching my portfolio collapse. I told you that, didn't I? The more money I lose, the more entertaining it seems to get. Anyway. I'm glad everyone's enjoying it. I know and I mean that in the nicest way as well. We just got a Christmas message from Bill. He just went to the short and left a message. You give each song your way. Thank you so much indeed, Bill. Thanks for your Christmas message. There you go. DAX below 14,000. This will either go to 0 or triple. The more you have, the more you lose. Good news for me. I barely have any money left, so I lose less. Honestly, I hate seeing you like this, Martin, but you have to learn to take profits and keep some powder dry. Keep your defensive stocks like Walmart and Target. Keep the companies you have that make a lot of money too. It's not the end of the world. Market profit. This is a very black day. If it goes any lower, market crash. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple, Robinhood, I've got no profit from Tesla, Space and Lucid. Nothing. Try remove emotion from it. It's your anniversary. That is way more important. Yeah. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic at 442, 444. That the S&P 500 down 2%. Will we get any rally from here? What do you think? 5%. Yes, Mike, taking the punches, holding strong. Every time it goes lower, people lose money. The market will eventually strengthen. The worse it gets, the stronger it becomes. My wife always says it's just paper. Who cares? Can always make more. If you're not going to sell, sometimes it's better to take a week off watching it. No good for YouTube, though, I know. No, the only income I have is YouTube. My YouTube ad revenue, $13 a day. My super chats is a bonus. All of that goes into my portfolio. All of that goes into my portfolio. All I pay out is my mobile phone, the electricity, my part of it, and the internet. That's my only expenses I have. And everything goes into investing into this channel and being here with you every day. It's my investment to myself, my investment to this family, and this commitment I have. So it all goes in. Whatever I get goes into this. Every penny. When I get paid on the 21st of December from YouTube, the money will go into this account. I have to survive until the 21st. So I've got 6 days to go before I next get paid and next be able to put some money into here. And I will. Well, this morning we managed to buy some more Rivian. Got Rivian at 24. It's now gone up. Tesla was very close to me buying at 150. I didn't manage to buy at 150. It got to 152. I think it was very close. 152. I set my target at 150 because I want... I keep setting $10 below each time for the all-time low. Didn't go that low, so I would have liked to have got one at 150, of course, because that would have been a new all-time low. 450 old money, remember, before the split. Give you an idea, and that would have been great. That would have made me on that share alone would have made me a 4% swing, about $6. That would have been beneficial. That would have lowered my average. But I didn't, because I'm expecting the chance of it going to 150. Ali Tisro suggested $60 a share. Remember, we love you, the loyal Dutch. I love you all as well. This is my biggest commitment. After I did the World Piano Man and toured for 37 years, this is now my biggest life commitment. Other, of course, than my wife. But you guys here doing this is what I do. And when I started YouTube, at a bull market and right at the top, and it started to crash, I had so many messages from YouTubers saying you won't last. Most day traders on YouTube are gone. They don't stick. They lose money. They disappear. The channel goes. You won't last. And I said, you've no idea who you're talking to. And they went, what do you mean? I said, I'm the World Piano Man. I've toured for 37 years, never cancelled, never missed a gig. I'm always there. I've taken every bloody punch there is going. Death, divorce, bankruptcy, everything, and I've always kept going, never ever cancelled, never stopped, and here I am, still here. So if my YouTube channel carries on, I'll make money from this, and I'll put it in, and no matter how low it goes, I'll earn money. But right now, it's, as I say, it's not that much. Just got to hope it grows quick enough. Think about this. You didn't just buy a house at the top of the market with 6 to 7% interest rate. That's already underwater. But some poor folks just did. They have no options. You have no real debt. You're fine. Fusion 301, I appreciate that. That's right. There's always worse people off than me, as there is with everybody here. Remember, all this will make you a better trader, even if you're just mentally stronger. Most day traders no longer show their portfolios. Martyn Lucas, yeah. I know they don't. They all tell you they're doing great, they're making loads of money. They don't share their portfolios on the screen. Did they apologize after your introduction? They didn't say anything. They just didn't say anything at all. Mullen, I can't even listen to that anymore. The Mullen story is ridiculous. If you survive this shift, this economic environment, imagine how strong you will be. And none of us are getting our leg chewed by a wild dog. Correct. 22. I did said SO8N. Trying to push up. I lost a calf in the cold last night. Poor little fella. I'm going to need to put bigger heaters in the barn. It got so cold, one of the calves died. That's awful. We're sorry about that, market. And Nitz Farrell, that's not necessary. Not necessary at all. I don't like that. We're not going to time you out, but come on. Show a bit of compassion to our friend here. Nobody ever will show you that they are failing. Check links for YouTube, Martin. I'm going to show you my failure right now. Check links for YouTube. Okay. Not a loss unless you sell. Think positive, holding strong. I never said do as I do. Just I get my wife chewed daily by my wife. Does that count? Oh, man. He was laughing at me. Well, thank you very much, Nitz Farrell. There you go. Way to make friends, Nitz Farrell. Way to make friends. It's not the best way forward, Nitz. I think it's best to make friends with everybody. I really do. Right. Let's have a little look. Time to go for a commercial break and earn that 1 cent per person. Makes a difference. My portfolio, my subscribers are going up. How many people are watching? 41 watching, 34 likes. Okay. So smash the like button if you've just tuned in. This is very painful, as people have said here. Day traders, investors don't share their real portfolios on the screen. They don't show you when they're losing money. I think that's. I mean, I don't know if it's right or wrong. I just cannot lie or make up stories. That doesn't make any sense to me. This channel has grown. I mean, I get why people lie. I get they want to portray a successful image so everybody thinks, oh, this guy's brilliant, he knows what we're talking about, let's follow him. But this channel has grown because it's real and honest, and that's why you watch. If I just made up stuff, not only would you know it, and people know when people make up stories anyway, it just devalues what we do, and that's kind of pointless. Biggest reason people here is the honesty. Yeah, I hope so. That makes me feel good, to be quite honest. Right, we didn't get any discounts today. These are my all-time lows. Didn't get reached. Are you holding Tilray? Yes, Tilray is down 3.51 today. I never lie about my trades. It's dumb. Looks bad. Yeah, Caden. Caden started by watching my channel. Very young investor. He's now got his own channel. Here he is in the chat. He's one of our silver members. If you want to go and click on his YouTube channel. In fact, I'll do that now, actually. I'm going to help a fellow YouTuber out. If I go to the home portfolio, Caden's one of my silver members, and we're going to get him some more subscribers right now. Here we go. Caden Youngquist is silver member, and he's right down here. So let me bring him on the screen and give everybody his channel. He's a young investor. He's just 17 years of age. He just said he never lies as well. He's a straightforward guy. Mind you, he does all right. There you go. I've never known a 17-year-old with so much money. Anyway, there we go. Go and check him out. I'm going to, of course, he's now got 250 subscribers. It won't change until it goes up 100. That's just the way it works now. So I won't know if he's got any more subscribers. He'll have to tell us if he does. Caden, if you'd let us know from your analytics, did you gain any subscribers in the next few minutes? Let us know. And I'm sure you will. Absolutely only reason I'm here because Martyn keeps it real. Thank you, Running Diary. I made a lot of money, but I have lost a lot of money too. Check links on YouTube from Churchy. Let me go over. Hey, am I a member? Project Freedom. No, you're not a member. You're not a member. You haven't got a badge after your name. If you want to be a member, here is the invitation to join. And for all the members, I've got a special little treat for you coming up now. Who likes Marilyn Monroe? There you go. There's the invitation to join. You ready? Okay. A little special treat. Years ago, I did my biggest gig ever in a massive theatre in England. 2,000 plus people. It's the Mayflower Theatre in Portsmouth. And my mum was brought, because it was my biggest ever gig, my mum was brought to the theatre in Marilyn Monroe's Rolls Royce. Marilyn Monroe's actual Rolls Royce, okay? And I have a 1-minute video here of me singing Candle in the Wind with the orchestra, and you can see Marilyn Monroe's Rolls Royce. Here it is. I'm going to post it in the chat. This is an exclusive. It was from like 15 years ago. None of you have ever seen it before. It's a private video. There it is in the chat. That's me singing with the orchestra, Candle in the Wind. It's a 1-minute video. And there it is. If you want to bookmark that and go and check that out. And that's Marilyn Monroe's actual Rolls Royce. My mum arrived in the theatre in that car. Okay. Yep, that's when I had money a long time ago. Different world then. Different world financially for me. I'm off to Portreif to walk in the winter sun and clear my head. Catch you at closing bell. Andrew Grady. Andrew, did you open the Christmas calendar? The Advent calendar? Here it is. I'll give it to you in the chat. I hope you did. There it is. I'll give it you twice so you can see it. Thanks, Stephen. Did you get any subscribers, Caden? Caden's just checking his hopefully he is. Anyway, checking his analytics and see. Thanks, Stephen. Probably Stephen subscribed, did he? Anyway, there you go. I did, mate. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you. Let me check the Christmas messages. Have we got any more to share today? Yes, we have. We've got another Christmas message. This time it's from Crag. He has just watched the short, 22 seconds long. We may not get our Santa rally, but at least we have Martyn's music to get us in the Christmas spirit. Lovely. Nice Christmas message. Thank you very much indeed. You hit... Oh, hang on a minute. Caden said he's just hit a new milestone on his channel. 1,250. And thanks to all of you guys, we're going to refresh it. This is the power of the family. We might be losing money. Well, I might be losing money. Hopefully you're not. But Caden Youngquist, I'm just refreshing the screen. 1,260. Look at that. Fantastic. He's just gained a load of new subscribers. That's what you get if you're a silver member on our channel. You get featured on the homepage. And from time to time, I will suggest your channel to everybody. Caden, wait till I've got 100,000 people watching my show. Imagine that day. That day is coming. Okay, brilliant. Anyway, thank you, Crag, for that wonderful Christmas message. And I've sent you back the playlist for the entire Advent calendar because there was a couple before it started in case you missed them. And then, of course, there is the Christmas premiere every night. You don't want to miss it. Well, I was at 1,259, but now I am... Oh, well, so you gain one. Okay, you gain one. Well, it's still one, Caden. That one person is a human being in their house, in their home, in their lives, sharing and watching your content. It's very, very important. Every single subscriber, remember that. A subscriber is not a number on a screen. It's a human being who's watching your stuff while at home, sat on the toilet, in the bed when they first wake up, sat on the sofa when the wife's watching TV they don't want to watch. That is a real person taking the time to listen to you, for you to come into their lives. Every single subscriber is not a number. It's a human being that has decided to subscribe to you. Never discount it. All right, okay. Let's have a look here. Wow, we've got some big comments here. Down $85,000 today. Mercury Machine, down $85,000. Oh my gosh. It is coming for sure, said Flames. Candle in the wind. So did you like it? How you see Lucid doing today? Here is Lucid. I've got orders to buy at... oh, hang on. Is it 7? I've got orders to buy at 7. Yes. Yep, it's down 766 at the moment. I see one of you watch the Marilyn Monroe. So about 15 years ago, I recorded this. It's a private video. And here it is. This is me singing with the orchestra at the biggest theatre I've ever done in my life. And this is the Marilyn Monroe Rolls Royce. It's in the chat right now. My mum arrived to the theatre in that Rolls Royce. It's a minute-long video. If you want to go and have a look, you can. All right. Time to run a quick commercial break. And it's a special day for me today, even though I'm losing all my money at the moment. It's our 5th wedding anniversary. Here is Leah. We got married 5 years ago today in the US. If you get confused by this and you hear me in 6 months again saying it's my anniversary, we got married twice. This is our first official wedding in the US on today, 5 years ago. And then 6 months later, we got married in the UK. So if you hear me celebrate my anniversary again in 6 months, think, hang on a minute, what's going on? Now you understand, okay? It's not a scam. I got married twice to the same person. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Didn't get any bargains today. Didn't get any discounts today other than Rivian. I got that at 24. I was very close to 150 for Tesla, but nothing else today. Nothing else went quite low enough. Very close. Just subscribe to you, Caden. Malk UK. There we go. Did I just do a commercial break? No, I didn't, did I? Okay, let's go to a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. We're back. So Amazon, we're trying to buy it at 85, all-time low, and not been able to do that yet. Apple, we're trying to buy at 130, hasn't gone that low. Robinhood, 8, hasn't gone that low. I think it's 8. Yes, it is. McDonald's, way lower. I'm up considerably on these. I could never have that privilege. Queen said I'm stuck with her forever, and if I divorce, she will kill me in my sleep. Oh, that reminds me. Churchy sent me a message. Direct messages. Let's have a look. That's Ali. Message requests. Let's have a little look. I'm just looking for you. I think it was YouTube. Links for YouTube. Here we go. This is from Churchy. Okay. This is Church's portfolio. Oh my God. Okay. This is Church's portfolio. He's been up though recently, but right here he's showing 84% down over the past year. Buying power 19 cents. Mate, there we go. There's Churchy being honest. Already in the Robinhood Roth? Yes, I am. I'm already in it. I've got the Robinhood Roth, and hang on. In this photo that describes my holiday. And here's the Grim Reaper. This is from Churchy. Look, here we go. This is Churchy. Awesome stuff. That's thank you very much for sharing that, mate. All right, good. Stephen Lewandowski got married in October 1978. 44 wedding anniversary. Was that today? In 1978. Basically getting the e-commerce business for free in terms of valuation. It says, I've been accumulating Amazon, indeed, 90 to 91. Let me look at my Amazon right now as well. There we go. 110 my average is, 90 to 91. Basically getting the e-commerce business for free in terms of valuation. $2,000 down, that's it. I'm in much more pain than that. I'm actually laughing, not bothered. Well, married 9 years now, says Stephen Rowe. Congratulations, Stephen Rowe. Well done to you. I was saying to Leah last night, what does it mean when someone congratulates you? It says, well done, you managed to survive. Your wife didn't get rid of you. She didn't appreciate that joke. I thought that was quite funny. I thought it was funny. She didn't think it was funny. Anyway. So where are we now? I am married to the game, Brandon Quoso. Thank you so much indeed. Now then, we are coming up to day trader of the day. We're still in the game. We're still here. We're not dead yet. Here's the invitation to join. If you're not a member, 95% of our live viewers are members, with the highest engagement rate of YouTube for any live viewers that are members. I'm very proud of that. Here is our advent calendar. Every morning before the show, we have an advent calendar. It comes out 15 minutes before the bell goes, before our show starts, sorry. There's the advent calendar, a 20-second video. Click on it, leave a Christmas message, and I will read it out in the show. Tonight, of course, it's our world premiere of our Christmas song. Every single night, here is our world premiere tonight. And every night we've beaten the record. We have a Christmas song coming out 7 days a week, and after every closing bell every night, including Saturday and Sunday. So don't miss it. Let's see if anybody's clicked on a like. We've got 8 likes there so far. The record is 22. Hopefully we'll get that up to 22 again tonight and beat the record. We've done it every single night so far. I hope tonight. Tonight's one of my favorites. I really love tonight's song. It's one of my favorites. Driving Home for Christmas is tonight's song. There you go. Chris Rea. It's a special one. And if you want to see a secret video that I recorded about 15 years ago, when my mum arrived in a Rolls Royce that was owned by Marilyn Monroe, when I sang with the orchestra, Candle in the Wind, that's in the chat for you right now. It's a special little Christmas gift. All right, do you see Lucid going to $7? Ask Ali Tisro. He thinks Tesla's going to $60. I have no idea. I've got an order to buy at 7. I can't read a crystal ball. It's got good finances. It's got good backing. I don't see that, but who knows? What do I know? I'm holding my position. It hasn't gone to 7. I was trying to buy it at 7. It didn't go that low. So there we go. Nice, said Ed Nevius. Lucid going to 7. Yes, the Loyal Dutch says it is. I think Lucid is going to make it to 8:50 tomorrow, says Flames. Candle in the Wind, the best Elton John song, and I wasn't even alive when she died. Arnold the Palmer. It's only a minute-long clip. Have a little listen if you'd like to. Musk keeps selling. Yes, he does. But eventually it'll stop because Tesla fundamentals are great. I'm up to 159. That's 159. Tried to buy it at 150. It never got that low today. So there we go. Day trader of the day coming up in a minute. How many people have come for the show today? 198. Fantastic. The Santa Rally. 64% of you say yes. That's interesting. So there are plenty of you who don't think so. You think it's going to come later on. Well, it's not over till the fat lady sings, is it? Hopefully the Chinese market will do well for Tesla as they come out of lockdown, says Running Diary. Today, the bill will reveal if Tilray will jump. Mohammed Kahain, I thought that was going to come out a couple of days ago. We never got any information. So let's have a look. Tilray, still down 2.8. I can't buy any more. I'm not buying any more. I'm down nearly 5% now. I was up 38% on this. Can you believe it? I'm not buying any more. Today, Lucid about to be a penny stock if recession happens. Church of Logic. Go little down on Lucid news. Go little down on Lucid news, Martin. I'm not sure what that means, Flames. You need to explain what you mean. There is no... Oh, hang on a minute. There is some news here. Is this what you were referring to? Let me have a quick look. Panasonic agreed to supply EV batteries to Lucid Group. There we go. When did this come out? December the 13th. Okay. Let's read into this. Let's have a little look into this. Lucid. Lucid. We will do a quick Lucid video. And then I'll check if we've got any more Christmas advent calendar messages. Lucid, what time? Let's read this. 1:57. I've been on air for nearly 2 hours. 1:57. feel like selling my stocks and hit the real casino. Oh my God. Yeah, I know how you feel, mate. Let's go over to here and read this information we've got on screen here. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. What a tough day today. Lucid was down. I tried to buy it at 7. Didn't quite get that low, but now it's popped up to 770. We're up today. We've got some news to share with you. Some breaking news. Well, it was out yesterday, so it's not quite breaking news, but it's breaking news for me. Before I reveal the news for Lucid, smash the like button. Have you done that? Okay, you done that? All right, let's go over and look at the news for Lucid right now. This is my position. I have 260 shares of Lucid. I'm trying to buy more if it goes to 7. We're expecting huge drops right now in the markets. It's a very painful place to be, but it's a time to present opportunity. So let's have a look at the news. This is the news for Lucid right now. Panasonic agrees to supply EV batteries to Lucid Group. This is the information. And let's have a quick look in here. Tesla battery maker, Panasonic, let me just go over there a minute. On Tuesday said it has concluded an agreement to supply lithium-ion batteries to electric vehicle EV maker Lucid Group as the Japanese company seeks to expand its customers. There we go. This is the company that supplied the batteries for Tesla, now supplying to Lucid. Nearly all of Panasonic's automotive battery production currently goes to Tesla as the leading US EV makers rapidly expands output, while Panasonic, which plans to build a new 4 billion battery plant in Kansas, is benefiting from that ballooning demand. Officials at the Japanese company are also wary about relying on heavily one customer. Tesla had always said they would love to be able to produce their own batteries, but not economically viable at the moment. Lucid will use Panasonic batteries in its long-range Lucid Air and its Gravity SUV, which will begin production in 2024, the company said. In August, Lucid hailed its EV production forecast, blaming extraordinary supply chain and logistic challenges. The company, which says it has 37,000 reservations, now expects to produce between 6,000 and 7,000 luxury vehicles this year. So there we go. Potentially good news for Lucid. What do you think about that? Lucid has obviously had a very tough time, as has the whole stock market and the EV sector. High tech stocks, EV stocks are all beaten up. Is it a buying opportunity? I believe so. I'm holding my 260. I'm adding to it. And if it goes to 7, it's why, even though I'm down 34%, I'm not going all mad at 765. It could go lower. And I have to be, patient and try to get all-time lows. I bought it below the 766. My next target is 7. Anyway, smash the like button. I hope you'll join us on a live show. Excuse me. If you click up here, you'll see my playlist for all our Lucid videos, and you can go and check that out. And also, as Christmas is coming up, every day we have a Christmas world exclusive world premiere. I'm actually the world piano man, and this is my TV studio behind me, and I do a Christmas song every night. So if you're interested, if you click up just here, that will take you to tonight's premiere and the full playlist of all those Christmas songs that premiere every night. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. There's my thumbnail. And let's go back to the main show and see where we are. See if we got any more comments on the Christmas calendar? Yes, we've had another one. This time it's from Shad. Shad has got a Christmas message. Pretty sure he believes. Believe. There you go, of course. There we go. Thank you so much indeed, Shad. If you've not yet opened the Christmas Advent calendar, I've got a gift for you every day, 22 seconds long. There it is. There is the Advent calendar. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you so much indeed for that, Shad. Overall portfolio going down again. Going down again. Painful stuff to see. All we ever do is go down. That's all we ever do. Anyway, Shad, I've left you a comment there, and it includes the playlist of the entire series of those Christmas 2022 Advent calendars, plus the premieres each night for the main song. If you've just tuned in, we're about to end our show in a few minutes with the Day Trader of the Day. A special gift I recorded 15 years ago. This is actually Marilyn Monroe's actual car when I did the biggest ever gig of my life, when I played at the Mayflower Theatre in Southampton, England. 2,000 people attended. I'm singing with the orchestra, Candle in the Wind, and that is actually Marilyn Monroe's car, her very own Rolls Royce. There it is in the chat. Okay, and tonight's Christmas premiere, if you want to be there, we had a record last night of 22 likes before the event. There is the Christmas premiere in the chat for you right now. Let me go and check if we got any more likes. 9 likes on it right now. 22 was set last night with the world premiere. Hopefully we can beat it tonight. Okay, the portfolio's diving again. I'm going to end the show because I can't take much more of the pain, the frustration of it all, and go and take a short break. We'll do Day Trader of the Day as well now, and we'll see who's down the most, who's up the most, see if anybody's made any money today. How many people we got watching? What, 38 right now. Everyone stuck with me. We got 205 people through the show. Thank you very much indeed for all of you that supported me. Wow, we got 40 likes on the video, 34 watching. That's fantastic. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Trying to buy a Tesla at 150. Cost $1,200 a month if we'll cost $1,200 a month if we'll qualify to own a Lucid. Wow, says the church. Bloody hell. Beautiful video, Martin. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much indeed. Did you watch the Christmas one or did you watch the Marilyn Monroe thing? Marilyn Monroe. There you go. Stephen Lewandowski liked it. Beautiful, said Brandon Quoso. And you were 38 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Remember, though, I added some funds. As I earn on YouTube to protect my account, as I get paid every month, I put more money into my account to keep my account up. That's what I do. So, going to share with this picture one last time, and then I'm going to go and take a break. This is my wife, Leah, our 5th wedding anniversary today. Thank you all of those of you that gave me a super chat tonight for our dinner. We'll take some pictures, I'm sure, and share them. And thanks for sponsoring our meal tonight. The drinks and the soup and the after 8 mints. Really, really nice of you. Thank you so much indeed. Okay. We're going down again. It just goes up for a little bit and goes down. This is not investing. This is not investing. This is just insanity right now. Just keeps on going down and down and down. Apple at 130 is a buy. 85 is Amazon. McDonald's. On the positive note, the downside pumps your channel. Yes. I guess that's true. J&J down today. Google is up, down 3% as well. Have a great day. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's do day trader of the day, and then I'm going to get off. Thank you ever so much for everyone for being here. Let's do day trader of the day. Everybody click the like button under the video. Bring everybody up to date. And let's do day trader of the day. Let's see who wins and loses today. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Down 4.91%. There is down 4.91%. Let's see. Give a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's put the timer up when the first scores start coming in. Oh, hang on. It's 5. Yeah, it's 5 now. There we go. One minute on the clock. Arnold is up 0.24. Congratulations to you. Not sure how that's possible, really. Down 3.53. Says William Wallace. Any more scores? Stephen Rowe is up 0.12. Congratulations to you. Remember, when it goes up, forget these days. Indeed. Running out of time. Up 1.7. Congratulations. 1.8. Stephen Lewandowski goes into the lead there. There we go. 1.8 from Stephen Lewandowski. A great score. Down 2.8, but Churchy, you've been up so much recently. The market will bounce back most probably by the end of the day, says SO8OAN. Looks like Stephen Lewandowski is our winner. Everybody else is probably a bit behind or something or other. Watching the ad, maybe. I hope they're watching the ad. That's good. 18.5% today. It nits, but he's only got 3 stocks, so we can't include that in the competition. This is an overall portfolio. No sell-off Friday tomorrow. Oh, what? Can you imagine? Can you imagine, church? Sell-off Friday? Bloody hell. On top of all this. Not up. I am. Oh, is that down? Oh, down. I apologize. I beg your pardon. So the winner is this morning. It's the loyal Dutch up 1.7. Yes, 1.7. Loyal Dutch is up today. Is the winner. So let's give thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and hear the sound effects. Congratulations. I think that's the first time on our show. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. There you go. There we go. Congratulations to Loyal Dutch. Awesome stuff. Okay. Okay. We'll knock it on the head. SOA, I'm literally on margin call. Everyone's getting margin called. Everyone's getting wiped out. No question about it. Yep, tax loss selling. Everyone's selling for losses to take tax losses. I totally get that. Everyone's selling for losses. Okay, that's it then. We're going to end the show right there, I think. Let me just double check a couple of things. Make sure that I've answered all the Christmas messages. Yes, I've done all of those. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched it. But that's it from me. It's time to get out of here. I'll see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Thank you for all of those of you that opened the Christmas Advent calendar this morning. And I will see you back very, very shortly in a couple of hours' time for the closing bell. That's it. What a painful day it's been today. Thank you ever so much, everybody over there on TikTok. Soul Child, Sir Martin, what platform are you using? I'm using Robinhood. Norwegian stocks helped me today, says Loyal Dutch. It will get better, mate. This don't last forever. No, it won't last forever. You're absolutely right. But that's it from me. Yes, I also believe the market will bounce at some point. Good luck to you all. All right, everybody, that's it. If you'd like to check out the Marilyn Monroe video, now you can. Here is the Marilyn Monroe video. And here is the Advent calendar. If you want to open up the Advent calendar and leave me a Christmas message, or for everyone to read, and I will reply to all of them and share them on the screen. And here is tonight's music premiere for the main song tonight after the closing bell. 7 days a week, we have a special Christmas song coming out. Got 9 likes on it so far. The 22 is the record. Happy anniversary. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to go and give Leah now a present, a little parcel I've got for her, and then I'll see you all back later on for the closing bell. So I just need someone now to say, roll the credits, and we'll get out of here. What a painful, painful, painful day. Unbelievable. Anyway, here we go. Let's roll the credits. That was my plan. Roll the credits, says Malk UK. Let's do it. Thanks for the support for our anniversary tonight. Mark Korn, Mike16, SO8N, Stephen Nudowski, Andrew Grady, Octavio Garcia. Thank you to all of you for supporting our anniversary tonight. It's just as bloody well. It's horrible. It is. Thank you to all of you for being here and supporting me, and our 2 new subscribers as well. That's Doug and Rico. Remember, there's more than that. That's just the public subscribers. There we go. All right, I will see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Have a safe day. Take care of yourselves. It's difficult, but, you know, you've got your health. If you lose all your money, you lose all your money. I mean, it's only money, but, yeah, money pays the bills, right? Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other.